The car behind me you may recognise from an old video. This has full car PPF and it was one of the first in the country, but unfortunately after a little mishap with a post, the rear bumper had to be repaired. So the rear bumper currently has no PPF on there. So first thing we're going to do today is get this re-PPF so it can go back to the customer and they can enjoy it risk-free. So we're going to get it up in the air, get the number plate off and get on with it. We need to cut the pattern out, so we'll get it in the air first, then we'll go cut it out. Stay tuned. Now that the jack pads are in the right place, I'm going to go ahead and lift it. So the benefit of having a scissor lift like this is that we can lift the car up to an area that is easier for us to work on, allowing us to check over the complete install from right underneath the bumper to everywhere else. So it's quite ideal. Now this has only had a smart repair, which is slightly concerning, but hopefully it will be okay. It's been done by Chips Away, but I mean the colour match is good. The problem we have is they taped along this line, so there is a hard edge and there's still lots of sanding marks and all sorts in there. So fingers crossed it will stay where it needs to stay and then we can just get the film on there. There's only one way to find out. So it's nice and early, it's 8:35, so we are ahead of schedule, so it's now time to get this bumper PPF'd. I've already prepped it, I'm happy. I've just cut the film, so I'm going to put it on the windows where we peel it off, and then the next thing you'll see is me fitting the film to the vehicle. So first thing we need to do is wet the panel so that when we come to lay the film on it, then we know there's not going to be any dry spots. This isn't ideal because the sheet nearly fell off the wall. So normally you wouldn't have a clump like this, but we'll make it work. He says optimistically. This is why we wet the panel, because it just gives us that little bit of leeway when laying the pattern on. Okay. There is a bit of a stretch on this one from memory. So what we'll do, start in the middle and work our way out, because there's not a lot of material to stretch on the So that's this Toyota GR86 now fully protected again after replacing the rear bumper paint protection film. As you can see, it is full coverage on this panel into this recess and behind the number plate. That's now all done and ready for the customer to collect. If you've got a car you want to protect, make sure you get in touch to get either paint protection film or ceramic coatings.